Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment EX16 Chapter 2 Grader ML1 HW Metropolitan Zoo Gift Shop Weekly Payroll of. As a manager of the gift shop at Metropolitan Zoo, you are responsible for managing the weekly payroll. Your assistant developed a partial worksheet, but you need to enter the formulas to calculate the regular pay, overtime pay, gross pay, taxable pay, withholding tax, FICA and net pay. In addition, you want to include total pay columns and calculate some basic statistics. As you construct formulas, make sure you use absolute and relative cell references correctly in the formula. So that's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is open the download file exploring E02 grader H2 XL XX. That's our file. I have already opened that one file. We will move to our second step. Our second step is use the if function to calculate the regular pay and overtime pay based on the regular 40 hours weekend in the cell E5 and F5. Pay overtime only for overtime hours in cell. So we will put in cell G5, calculate the gross pay based on the regular and overtime pay. Abraham regular pay is 398 with 8-hour overtime. Abraham overtime is 119.40. So we will go to the cell E5 and put here in this. We will use the if function. We will start our if function, and what is he saying? If the total working hours is, that's our working hours, D5 is less than or equal to 40, which is given in the cell B40 base work hours, and what is he saying? B21. We will select B21. If D5 working hours is greater than the base hours, then what is D5? If it's not is equal to base hours, if its value is false, then the value is base hours only. And what we will make this one B21 as an absolute reference here and here. And what will be our result? We will close our bracket and we will multiply this one with the cell with the hourly wages. That is our hourly wage. This means if our hour worked is greater than B21, then our result will be D5 multiplied by C5. Otherwise, our result will be B21 multiplied by C5. So we will press enter. So we have got our result 398.00. In the question, he tells us that Abraham regular pay is $398. So our formula is correct here. Now we will move to our cell F5. In the cell F5, we will also use the if function to calculate the overtime pay based on the regular pay. We will put is equal to if function, start our bracket. If hour worked is greater than B21, we will make this one as a B21 as an absolute reference. Then our result will be D5 minus B21 . 21 . because we are calculating only the overtime pay. So we in this, when you put this formula, we will got the overtime hours. Then we will multiply this one with the C5. That's our hourly wages, and multiplied by B22, that is the overtime rate. We will make B22 as an absolute reference. That's the value if true. If that value is true, then our result will be this, and if value is false, then it's 0. We have no overtime. If D5 is not is equal to 40, then no overtime, so value is false. So we will close our bracket and press enter. So we have got 119.4, and here he tells us with Abraham overtime is $119.40. So our formula is correct. So that's our second step. We will move to our third step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Pearson course, Pearson Plus course, Canvas course, or if you need help in Excel assignment, PowerPoint assignment, Word assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video to get directly in my inbox. We will move to our third step. Create a formula in the cell H5 to calculate the taxable pay. Multiply the number of dependent column B by deduction, or in the second step we have last one thing. In the cell G5, calculate the gross pay based on the regular pay and overtime. So in the cell G5, we will put gross pay is equal to regular pay plus overtime and press enter. That's our gross pay. We will move to our third step. Create a formula in the cell H5 to calculate the total taxable pay. Multiply the number of dependents column B by the dependent per dependent and subtract the from gross pay with two dependents. Abraham taxable pay is 417. So we will go to the cell H5. Here in the cell H5 we will put is equal to G5, that's our gross pay, minus B5, that's the number of dependent, multiplied by B24. In the cell B24 is the deduct per dependent, and we will make this one B24 as a absolute reference and press enter. So we have got our result in the cell column H, taxable pay, which is 417.40. It's also given in the cell 417.40. That's our third step. Our fourth step is use a VLOOKUP function to identify cell I5 to identify and calculate federal withholding tax. Use the tax rates from the range D1 to DE25. The VLOOKUP function returns the applicable tax rate, which you must multiply by the tax payable. So here we will put in the cell I5 VLOOKUP start our bracket, and here in this lookup value we will put H5, that is our taxable pay, and our table array is the D21 to E25. That's our result table array. We will make this one absolute reference. And what is the our table. In this table we have got the column as a 2, column index 2, close our bracket, and then multiply this one with the cell H5 to get a tax payable pay. So and press enter. So we have got the federal withholding tax 104.34. That's our 4 step. We have total 10 steps of this assignment. I have performed 4 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given on the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video to get directly in my inbox. And if thank you.